In this video I'm going to show how to block the access to certain places in the property tool. You can use this feature if you want to hide certain rooms, places and perspectives in your tool. For example, in this property, I made outdoor places unable to see. The spots on which you can click can be visited, but you cannot go out beyond the doors. On the gray spots, you can obviously find viewpoints, but you cannot open and see them. Let's see how to set these restrictions. First of all, sign into your account by clicking on the cogwheel. After signing in, the protection feature becomes active. At the bottom of the screen, in the gallery, you can see a small icon in the upper left corner of each picture. The icon can be an eye or an X. If you want to block a place or a room, just click on the eye, so the place becomes restricted. These spots appear in red color in editing mode. Settings in visitor mode. Now you can see that it is impossible to click on the blocked spots. If you want to get out from the room, nothing happens. You can go to the kitchen, but you can't go outside. There is not even an arrow leading to that direction. It is also possible to keep these restrictions while providing your coworkers with links through which the tour can be viewed without such limitation. If you want to create such links, sign in to your tour again. In the protection menu, under the confidential option, you can create confidential links. Confidential links can be sent via email. If you do so, or you just simply open it in New tab, you can see that the tour can be visited without restrictions. Now it is also possible to go outside, and you can look around freely on the outdoor spots. Now go back to the settings to see how to remove these links anytime you want. In the protection menu, simply click on the remove link option next to the link. You have the option to set the links with 3 days of expiration date. In this case, the link gets removed automatically after 3 days. Click on the with 3 days of expiration date option, and now you have a new confidential link which you can send to your partners. After 3 days, the link expires and the tour will be only visited with restrictions again. You can create new links anytime by clicking on the Create New Link button. After this, you only have to copy the link and send it to the users. With this function, the places you want to block stay blocked, But with confidential links, it is possible to view the tour without limitation by those who have these links.